Stored procedures in SQL Server offer several advantages, making them a powerful tool for database development and management. Here are some of the key advantages of using stored procedures in SQL Server. Modular code. Stored procedures allow you to encapsulate complex SQL logic into a single unit, making the code modular and easier to maintain. This modular approach simplifies troubleshooting and debugging. Improved performance. Stored procedures are precompiled and optimized, which means they can improve the performance of frequently executed SQL statements. Once compiled, they are stored in memory, reducing the overhead of parsing and optimizing the query each time it's executed. Reduced network traffic. By executing a stored procedure, you send only the procedure name and parameters over the network, not the entire SQL statements. This reduces network traffic significantly, especially for complex queries. Enhanced security. Stored procedures allow you to control access to the database at a very granular level. You can grant users permission to execute stored procedures without giving them direct access to the underlying tables. This helps in implementing the principle of least privilege and enhances security. Code reusability. Stored procedures can be reused across multiple applications and modules. Once a stored procedure is created, any application or process with the necessary permissions can execute it, promoting code reuse and consistency across the database. Transaction management. Stored procedures can be used to wrap multiple SQL statements within a transaction. This ensures that either all the statements within the stored procedure are executed successfully, or none of them are executed. This helps maintain data integrity and consistency. Simplified maintenance. If there are changes in the database schema or business logic, you only need to update the stored procedure without touching the application code. This separation between database logic and application logic simplifies maintenance tasks. Caching execution plans. SQL Server can cache the execution plans of stored procedures, allowing for faster query execution. This caching mechanism improves performance by reusing the stored procedure's execution plan for subsequent executions. Error handling. Stored procedures can implement sophisticated error handling mechanisms, allowing you to handle errors gracefully and provide meaningful error messages to the users or applications. This improves the user experience and helps in troubleshooting issues. Centralized logic. Business logic and data manipulation logic can be centralized within stored procedures. This ensures consistency in data processing and business rules enforcement, regardless of which application or user is accessing the database. Encapsulation of business rules. Stored procedures can encapsulate complex business rules and calculations. This helps in maintaining data integrity and ensures that business rules are consistently applied, regardless of the application source. Overall, stored procedures in SQL Server provide a structured and efficient way to manage database operations, enhance security, and improve performance, making them a valuable asset in database development and administration.